Welcome to Curiosity Monsters! Today, we are splashing into the sea to discover 10 mind-blowing facts about our oceans.
Let's go!
Fact 1. Oceans are absolutely massive. They cover over 70% of our entire planet, making Earth look like a giant blue marble floating out in space. Fact 2. The deepest place on Earth is underwater. It's called the Mariana Trench, and it is so deep that Mount Everest could hide completely inside it. Fact 3. The ocean is home to the blue whale, the largest animal ever. Their underwater calls are so loud, they can be heard hundreds of miles away. Fact 4. The world's longest mountain range isn't on land. It's hidden completely underwater. It stretches across the ocean floor like a giant, bumpy zipper. Fact 5. Deep down where the sun can't reach, amazing sea creatures make their own light. It's called bioluminescence, and it works just like glowing space nightlights. Fact 6. Oceans help us breathe. Tiny floating ocean plants called phytoplankton create more than half of the world's fresh oxygen.
Thank you, tiny plants.
Fact 7. There is real gold dissolved inside ocean water. If we could pull it all out, there would be enough gold for everyone on Earth.
Let's go!
Fact 8. The ocean floor holds more historic treasures and ancient artifacts than all of the world's museums combined. It's a giant, real-life mystery vault. Fact 9. Ocean water is incredibly salty. If you took all the salt out of the sea, you could cover the entire land on Earth in a thick blanket. Fact 10. We have explored less than 10% of the ocean. That means there are millions of strange, undiscovered sea creatures waiting to be found. The ocean is absolutely splash-tastic. Thanks for exploring the ocean with us. Please smash the like, share, and subscribe button for more adventures.